Rowdy, say hi.
Hi. I'm going to do trip water. Yeah, I'm busy dad.
Kai,
Yo.
Tom Hanks leaned on your car today. What was up with that?
I don't know. He definitely found my car somehow in Pittsburgh. Pretty cool.
Put a value guy.
That's all I want. That's all you ordered.
Hi, buddy. Where are you smashing this car?
Battle at the border.
What's your chances?
Iffy. Kyle Katusin.
You smell so funny.
What's up with the paint job?
It's cool.
Thanks, buddy.
Don't laugh. You could have held the pink umbrella. Security for a little baby cake. Potts from Washington, Indiana.
So you came all the way out here to Pittsburgh and see this car get painted, and it's going to Battle of the Border. Who do you got to win this thing?
Kyle Katusin, 1 1/2. That's my guy.
Yeah? What's your expectations for this Battle of the Border?
I think it's going to be a sweep, the van class and the mini car class.
Why do you think this car says hated?
Oh, everybody wants to be the winner. Nobody can be like Kyle, so they all hate him.